What are you two? It's your boy Super Cool, aka Lil Daddy. What? Hey, we back giving another motherfucking video, man. Y'all know the vibes. Y'all don't know the vibes. Y'all know the vibes. So let's go, man. Y'all know what time it is. Every day we posting. Like y'all know what's going on. Let's get it. That's the only goddamn cereal we got. Well, fuck it. La 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 la. Yes! I did dog follow me, y'all. Good. He ain't see me, so he ain't gonna follow me, you feel me? Damn. Well, this is what it look like outside. It just got done raining, so y'all feel me. Yeah, that's why the camera keep falling off. It's cold as a motherfucker in the house, but it's hot out here. These puddles and shit, hell nah. Wake your bitch ass up. Do you not know you can go in the house, bruh? What you doing out here? You is not no street cat, dude. You ain't never been in the streets. You wanna be gangster so motherfucking bad, dude. You is not gangster. So my best friend just bought me some food over here. That motherfucking lasagna motherfucker. This bitch look like he gonna have me shit. Fuck it. Let's do it. What they say in Florida? On my soul got me all the way together on game. I'm finna tell y'all the scary story right quick. Once there was a young black jaguar hunting in the forest. He met this group of teenagers, you know. They was on a summer vacation, cabin in the woods. And they was gonna spend the rest of that fucking summer there. So the jaguar used to watch them. I'm not like hell, but I don't know how to tell no damn stories. But yeah, like y'all can see today, man, I didn't really do too much because, I didn't really go outside because it was raining. I think it rained all day, to be honest. And don't know about like going outside when it's wet, bruh. Cause like, come on, man, be serious with yourself. That like stepping in a wet puddle with socks on. It just don't feel right. You feel me? So it might be the end of the vlog, if not close to the end of the vlog. Like, comment, subscribe. Y'all know the vibes, man. Come back tomorrow cause we posting every day. Let's do it. We live every day, man. My camera finna die. Y'all see them gains though? Y'all see these fucking gains? I'm gonna start getting gym. I'm gonna do some gym vlogs for y'all, man. Looking damn stupid. Where you get J's from?
I these sleep shoes. I'll take it.
I was finna say. You don't wear those shoes. You wear those.
Don't do too much.
They be finna die. Huh. Oh, you smell like Lucky Charm.
Don't do that. You're welcome.
Appreciate you.
Y'all look at the plate. Some slight.
No, Beverly is crazy though.
First play. Glock, 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 glock.